guys, welcome and welcome back. So I'll be reacting to Angelina Jordan, I Have Nothing, Whitney Houston cover. Now, I've done a lot of reaction to many different people who sing a cover on this song. People like Marcelito, Swing. Guys, those people is a mind-blowing singer. Without further ado, let's see what mind-blowing about Angelina Jordan's singing today. I'll see you there. Peace.
Share my life, take me for what I am, and 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, and just all that you are and everything that you do.
Quenching voice. Let's continue.
I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's no way to hide. But don't make me close from a door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there, or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me, no. I have nothing, if I don't have you.
Bro, everybody is unique in their own special way. Everyone can sing in their own special way. Now this is why I like to listen to
Angelina.
as much as how she's quite young, but she sings with passion. She has something that always blows my mind away. Wow.
Yeah, if I don't have you, you see right through the heart of me. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. I never knew love that I known it, whether you're with a memory survive, oh, one I can hold on to. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, can't run from myself. There's no way to hide. Your love I remember forever. But don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay.
Bro. Wow. and she knows how to control her voice when she's singing. She's not trying to force that note. She's just so controllable when singing, guys. As much as how she's very young, she's singing as if she's in her 30s, her 40s. Trust me, not anyone can do this. Not any and everyone can do this. Very important thing to know that you can sing and not everyone can sing as you. She's in a league of her own.
You're my arms if you dare. I must I imagine you there. Don't walk away from me, no. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. No, make me close from a door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. Or must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me, no. Don't you dare walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing if I don't have you. Yeah, if I don't have you, if I don't have you.
Bro, that is so amazing. She always seems to amaze me with everything she's singing. Bro. Guys, I'm so amused right now. Thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? Please comment your next Angelina Jordan song that I should react to next. Peace out. I'll see you there.